Guys, I'm making a drone that start in the next video, which will be in 2 parts. And the good news is that if you want to watch this video in Hindi, then subscribe my second channel. I use all the time this microphone to record my voice. It is a digital microphone and I must say that this microphone can record voice very nicely as I expected. Everything is okay, but this one is very expensive. Today I will try to build a microphone just like this, and I am pretty sure it will work just like a commercial one. To fine tune the sound, here I have used 3 potentiometer, which allow to adjust different type of potential value. As a result, you will be able to record a beautiful sound wave. Even you can see 5 LEDs view meter for measuring sound dB. I also made a very nice wooden box that you can see. Let's take a look at how this homemade microphone works. Now the question is, how can it be possible to change a potential value of sound wave? Okay, first you need to connect a USB cable to your computer or laptop to power this microphone. And of course I would not forget to add this input signal jack because this is an analog microphone. I always use Audacity software to record voice. It is a free software and here you will find a various options which are very useful to use. Okay, now let's record some voice. First of all, I tell everyone stay home and stay safe. And you can see this is the first potentiometer to reduce and increase the volume. And see that it working well as I expected. And if you feel gain is much higher, then you can choose enough gain to here to reduce your sound. Similarly, the next potentiometer is for bass control, or you can accept it as a low pass filter controller. And I hope you figure out the number 3 potentiometer is for treble control. Checking process is completed and you can see the sound quality is not bad and this is acceptable for voice recording. And guys, English is not my language. Sorry for this accent, so please consider me. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, this company producing prototype PCB in very insane quality. Not only that, you can find variety type of option when you are ordering your PCB, such as you can order maximum 6 layer PCB, even you can get here the benefit of SMT service and stain seal. Even you can order huge amount of PCB in your budget. And more useful offer is you can select variety type of color of PCB with absolutely free of cost. More information you can visit their website. How this is working? Let's explain to you a little bit. Here I will use a condenser microphone to capture the sound. The good thing about a condenser microphone is that this condenser microphone can capture sound in one direction and it can able to record a very low pitch sound. Each microphone has 2 pins. One is ground and other is signal output. Okay, as an example, let's see how it works. At first I attached 5V power source through 1K current limiting resistor with this mic. And also I attached a 0.1 microfarad capacitor with output signal. Next I attached this microphone's input signal with my oscilloscope. And look, whenever I tapping this microphone on top, right then my oscilloscope showing me the sound wave. But unfortunately the signal is very weak. This is not acceptable for any cell phone, any laptop or computer. But if you want to record sound through this microphone without anything else, then your sound will be recorded in very low voice and noisy.
As you can see, the sound quality is not good. This is not acceptable for voice recording.
Because input gain is very high and mic sound capture capability is very low. That's why here I need to amplitude the microphone signal. I hope you see the transistors are commonly used for amplitude signal. But an op-amp should be used to record a beautiful sound. That is why I will use op-amp here to record beautiful sound which will give to correct signal to my computer, laptop and cell phone. For this purpose I will use LM358 op-amp here. It is dual op-amp. Now if I discuss about op-amp, then this video will be much longer. Just remember one thing, op-amp's job is to turn the lower signal into a higher amplitude signal. Keeping in mind the purpose of my work, I create a circuit for it. And according to this diagram, I made the circuit on the breadboard for checking purpose. Next, again I attach this op-amp output signal with my oscilloscope. See the wave. Now this signal is being amplitude in order for my work. Next I connect the input signal to my boombox and look, it worked exactly the way I expected it to. As you can see, this microphone's output gain is very high. And I hope it will work very well for my recording purpose. Bass and treble are also controlled by this IC. If you look carefully at this diagram, then you will understand everything. The diagram download link is in the description box as always. Please note, 50% of all mics available in the market are usually duplicate. You need an original mic to make this project perfect. The original microphone will have a small transistor inside, but you will not find any transistor inside the fake one. Be careful. Hopefully you may have seen the 5 LED view meter at the beginning of the video, which I used to measure the sound wave. For the dB measurement the sound, I used LV1403 IC here. I think which is working very well to understand the dB of the sound. I don't know it is work properly or not for dB measurement, but you can easily create it too. Okay guys, as you can see, the LED view meter is ready and the light effect is really pretty good, and I use this LED view meter as a sound measuring dB meter. I don't know it is work properly as a dB meter or not, but the light effect is look like pretty awesome, am I right? With all this thing in my mind, I made a nice circuit board on the DIL PCB board. It took me about 2 hours to build it. You may notice that there are 2 transistors inside the board that I have not yet given any details about it. The case of this 2 transistors is to give the amplitude signal to the DBIC, and the other thing is that the output signal doesn't drop. As a result, you will be able to enjoy the fun of beautiful voice record. Now it's time to create a beautiful box. I named this box a magic box. Why? Because you can open this box from any side, even you can easily reassemble it again. I made this box with this thin wood. These wood are very soft, easy to cut, even beautiful to look at. I prefer you can make this box with this wood. After making this box properly, polish this box with sandpaper in order to look beautiful. After completing this box, I set each and every component in their place. Remember one thing, the microphone can catch very low noise, so the noise is captured very quickly, so must use the ground isolation wire of the input and output signal. Guys, even I made some component with 3D printed because I have no other option on how to operate my mic in 360-degree movement. To avoid noise, I must cover my microphone in cotton. I have used here wasted headphone wire as the output cable. As a source of power, I have used USB cable wire. With this you can collect 5V from your laptop, computer or phone adapter. I hope you like this video and I hope you learned lot from this video. So this is for today guys. If you have any question regarding this video, so please ask me in comment section. I will definitely answer you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in next video. Stay safe.